2, go ahead. License 28, wind 2 on the survey, 10 knots, runway 0, line, clear for takeoff. Perfect,
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we had to pick up our old plane which was left in the maintenance for some new radio. As we were taxiing, I noticed that the attitude indicator had backed up on us. So we simply turn around and head back to the maintenance hangar. Here you can see the engineers changing the entire part to make sure that the part wasn't at the fault. Elstree was about half an hour away and so was the sunset, and I did not have any night rating.
Right, so that one goes to the regulator, that one goes to
Once the engineers fixed new unit in the plane, we pushed the plane out of the hangar to test and see if it's still flyable.
Okay, Keno. It's not good. Okay, we go.
At the moment,
No, we'll leave it here. We'll leave it
it's
here.
moving the same as the HSI. So as you turn left, your thing goes like that. And
No,
like
that's
that.
okay.
No, but before it was just random. Now it's like as you turn.
However, after the bad news, we decided to leave the plane in the maintenance and go back to Elstree in our old plane before it gets too dark.
Roger, Irritability 509, the QNH 1015.
Runway 09, QNH 1015, November India.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go, let's go.
Run up checks.
Okay, parking brake on. These are within limits. RPM 1700. Temperature is coming alive. Check. Magnetos left drop. Right drop. Power heat. Drop. And back to idle. Go now, Ferry is holding at Bravo, ready for departure.
Roger, Kilo X-ray position.
Kilo X-ray is right base to land. Left base to land.
Okay. November Indy for ready immediate from the intersection at 020 degrees, less than 5 knots.
Clear.
Taking off, Golf November India. Okay, let's go. You want to do a takeoff?
Yeah, fine.
Okay.
And Chris, it's Graham. Aki, request pass message.
Go ahead.
Yeah, it's the one taxiing out now, just to say we found the fault in the vacuum pipe. We'll replace one pipe and it'll be good to go.
Is that a quick fix or a long fix?
We need to put a new pipe on, so it's going to take a couple of hours, so we'll get it for you ready for tomorrow.
Thank you very much.
RPM 2300.
Yep.
P's and P's are within limits.
Yep.
Check. Airspeed is rising. Process is reading.
We're not.
I'm out of here like a rat off a drain pipe.
Elstree information, or maybe it's Elstree traffic. Golf Delta Oscar November India. We're currently 17 miles out and requesting joining instructions.
How many on board?
3 POE.
So I take it ping is not coming back because Dave's just trying to ring Little Catan.
Yeah, it's not coming back. The AI is spinning 360.
Roger, copied. We got you OH. The lights are on, but I am about to disappear. We are about to close. It's 08 right, the QFE 1003, and I've got nothing up.
08 right, 1003 QFE, and nothing up. Golf November India.
So blind calls, and I'll see you next time.
Cheers. Right, so basically, there's no actual difference. The plane doesn't know any difference, but there's a lot of illusions that happen at night, which if you haven't read the night rating book, may catch you out, which is why they say you don't fly at night until you've done a night rating. But basically, there's a tendency to round out too high, and so you end up flaring way higher than the ground actually is.
Okay.
So when you fly at night, you want to fly a nice controlled calm approach, and you're just always descending towards the ground rather than trying to do this heroic flare and have a ultra smooth landing, because the chances are you will probably flare too high and run out of speed, and then it's a lot worse. And also the way at night, the way you judge your approach, especially if you're coming in on 08, is based on how the lights look. So if all the lights look like they're all touching, you're too low, and if the spaces are huge, you're too high. And so if the spaces between the lights are all equally spaced, then you're on the correct approach path. Okay, an aircraft just went below us. Okay, you can go left heading 120. No traffic. Actually, maybe just... Let's see, what's this showing? There's some NOTAM here. Well, yeah, we'll just go around it. So, if you just go straight for a bit, and then we'll turn left later, and you'll be on a long final into... I think it says it's gun firing. Yeah, missile, gun, and rocket firing.
Wow.
From surface to 2,200.
Fireworks, maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe. Surface to 2,200, which is quite high.
Yeah.
And there's checkers. That's where the Prime Minister has all her is this just behind the wing there?
Yeah.
Just behind and below, that's checkers, the Prime Minister's country residence.
Ah, lovely.
LC traffic, Golf Delta Oscar November India, positioned long finals, 9 miles inbound for runway 08. LC traffic. Okay, before landing checks, brakes squeeze, fuel pump on, undercarriage down is cool, mixture pretty rich, instruments, height is good, speed is good, carb heat to hot.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we're going to descend at about 600 feet a minute. Going to come right slightly, and then down a little bit. Okay, flaps coming in, flaps on. Okay, 1,000 feet, so 700 above the ground, 200 feet till decision. Okay, look up, there it is. Okay, carb heat cold for the go around. Flaps full. Maps now.
Yeah. Ultra traffic, Golf November, India's awakening at Bravo. Ultra traffic. Ultra traffic, Golf November, India's taxi to parking. Ultra traffic.